In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v5 bots in CS2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can clearly see, I'm able to play alone versus 5 bots in CS2, and I'm gonna teach you how to set up a match just like this. So first, make sure that you have the developer console enabled. So we're going to be using a lot of console commands. To check this, go into the settings, use the search function, and look for console. Developer console must be enabled, so set this to yes, and set up a toggle for the console. Now, once you have access to the console, first, to start, I recommend choosing the map. So you can type, for example, map, and then DE_Dust2, DE_Inferno, and you can explore the other modes as well, such as Arms Race, and so on. For this video, I'm just going to choose good old DE_Dust2. Now, you can choose which specific team you want to play on, so C, T, or T. Once you load in, we now have to set up the teams. First of all, type MP_limit teams and then space 5. This will make sure that the teams will not be automatically balanced and that there's also no limit for the teams. With this done, type the word balance and you will find the secondary command MP_auto team balance. Set this to false. So as long as you run these two commands, MP limit teams space 5 and then MP auto team balance false, you are basically good to go. Now type bot_kick space all, and you now have to repeat the command bot add T 5 times. Of course, you do the opposite team that you are on. So in this specific example, bot_add_T, and I repeat this 5 times. Now that I have 5 bots, I'll be able to play 1v5. As you can see, we also have 2 rounds. So to fix this, all that you have to do is type restart game 1. So MP_restart game 1, and now we restarted 0-0 with the standard competitive settings. So we start with $800 each team, and we are now able to play 1v5. You can configure additional settings if you wish, but for this video, I'm going to keep it simple, and I just wanted to teach you how to manage the bots in each team. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v5 bots in CS2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.